So, how to add Santa's hat to your pet? So, first we need some banger Christmas music. Like that. So, get yourself a Santa's hat and a picture of your pet. Drag a hat to the right spot. Go to Quick FX. Click the gradient overlay. Hit the gear on the right side. Change the blend mode to overlay. Click gradients. Insert a new dot in the middle. Change the color to white. Click the right color and change it to black. Play around with the middle part a little bit. Use those lines to soften the gradient. Decrease opacity a tiny bit. Change size if needed. I go back to gradient and decrease the opacity to the left black color. That's it for the first part. Now let's add adjustments to the hat. Go to the layers. Click adjustments, curves, click X for now. Select both by clicking and holding shift. Hit Ctrl plus G to group them. The adjustments only affect inside of the group. Name the group. And now click the curves we added. And now try to match the hat to the photo. I will add white balance and make it a little bit yellowish. Adjustments, white balance. Sliding the sliders. Now let's warp the hat a little bit. Click to the hat layer and select mesh warp. And match the hat to pet's head. Once you're happy, click apply to the top left. Next, let's add shadow. Make a new pixel layer. Name it hat shadow. Drag it under to hat layer. Select the brush tool. Go to the brushes. Click oils. And choose the one you like. Zoom under the hat and start drawing this kind of shadow. This brush blends better than the basic brush. Select the pixel layer, blend mode and change it to soft light. Go to the Quick FX. Look for a Gaussian blur. Adjust it to match. And yep, that's it. Here are the results. Luckily, you can use this technique for other pets, like cats or hamsters. Yeah, that's it. I hope it helps. As always, have a great one. And Merry Christmas!